Hey car friends, let's go over our tune-up guide for filters. A clean filter improves the engine performance and efficiency. Your vehicle has 4 main filters: an oil, a fuel, an engine air filter, and a cabin air filter. Many vehicles also have a PCV valve, and that needs to function properly to maintain the engine performance. Filters keep all the particles from reaching all those vital components in your engine. Dirty filters make your vehicle work harder. Engine filters will get clogged over time. A clogged air filter reduces the performance and affect your fuel economy. Replacing your air filter is generally a simple task. You can check out our guide to learn how to replace your engine air filter. Most vehicles have a filter for the air inside the car, called a cabin air filter, that needs to be replaced regularly. A dirty or clogged cabin air filter, like this one right here, which is pretty disgusting. I can't believe that someone was actually breathing through this. And it can actually affect the heater or the air conditioning's ability to function. So you want to replace it. And a good one, it should look, I have an example. This is the actual way it should look, not like this. This is bad, this is good. Most cabin air filters are easily accessible and take less than 15 minutes to change. An oil filter is used to filter the engine oil and will clog over time. Dirty oil can lead to excessive wear on the internal engine components. Always replace the filter with every oil change. Dirty fuel can clog your fuel filter and lead to low fuel pressure, sometimes resulting in lower acceleration, rough idling, and maybe even throw a check engine light. Generally, fuel filters can have to be changed every 30 to 35,000 miles, but it's best to follow the manufacturer's recommendations. The PCV valve, which stands for positive crankcase ventilation, okay, that name is actually more intimidating than the process of actually changing it. It can actually be swapped out in a matter of minutes. And like all filters, it can get clogged too. When it fails, the engine will consume oil faster, causing poor fuel efficiency, misfires, and blown gaskets. And that's it for filters. So remember, there's a ton of benefits from replacing your filters, and it's one of the best ways to maintain your car's original performance. Watch our channel for more videos on tune-ups. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.